Well, hello everybody, welcome to Granddada Kitchen. So in this video we've got the salt, black pepper, white sausages, of course, eggplants, paprika mix and olive oil. In a hot pan I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The sausages get in. They will get roasted until they are golden brown. As you can see here. I hope that you're all having a wonderful day. And thanks for watching Granddada Kitchen. So the sausages I've got ready and it takes a minimum of 5 to 7 minutes. So I add in the eggplants. And I will just let the sausages in so that they can stay hot. One of them is broken, but it's not a problem. That's alright. So I let them get hotter here direct on the pan before I take them out. I go ahead and add in black pepper and salt to the eggplants. I had forgotten this little piece, but I put it in also. So I turn them. We don't want them to get burnt. Nice. I I turn them again. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the sausages. They are ready, nice and hot. Roast the eggplants a little bit. They are nicely soaked in black pepper and salt. So I will also put them off the pan. Wonderful. So I put in the paprikas also now. And they won't take too long on the heat because I don't want them to get too ready. I want them to stay juicy and watery. And this will take a minimum of 3 minutes. I drop on some olive oil, a little bit of it. Some salt. We have a lot of black pepper in the eggplant, so they will just, mingle in the mouth. You know what I'm talking about. So here they are ready. They got a little roast, and that's okay. That's what I wanted. And here it has turned out like this. Very delicious. I'm going to try it out, and thank you for watching. See you next time.